Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take off this plastic cover on the side of the PS4 Slim. I'm sorry, I wasn't able to record getting it off, but essentially it slides out like in one direction. So even though it's a corner piece, it just goes out that way. Great, so then there'll be the slot and you'll actually pull out this hard drive tray. So it'll look like that, and then I already took out the old hard drive and you're gonna put the new hard drive inside that. So I got a 2 terabyte Seagate drive. It's like a fusion drive, so there's a little bit of cache, but it's still spinning disk. It's just cheaper than a solid state. So you can see those are the screws. Basically, it just screws into this mounting bracket, and then once you have it attached to the mounting bracket, you can just slide that bracket back into the PlayStation. So it's a pretty easy process. So once you've got it attached to the bracket, you're just going to slide it back into the slot in the PlayStation. It only goes in one way. And there's going to be some friction. I mean, you'll notice that when you pulled it out, it has a little tab. But as you're pushing it back in, you will notice friction putting it back in. But those screws are made, they can only line up one way. And then you'll see it'll kind of line up at the end. And then just reattach the plastic bit.